Hi guys, this is the channel of भूई एंड नैना. आई एम नैना, भूई कैमरे के पीछे हैं. आज ये वीडियो बनाने का कोई स्पेसिफिक रीज़न नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट दैट आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट ब्यूटी, फैशन, मेकअप. मेरे पास आप सबके लिए एक प्रोडक्ट है विच इज़ बेयर ब्यूटीफुल बाय मैक्स स्टूडियो. ये वो प्रोडक्ट है या बॉक्स है जो मैं रेगुलरली यूज़ करती हूँ, चाहे ऑफिस के लिए या पार्टी के लिए. लेट्स सी व्हाट इट ऑल कंटेन्स. It contains 12 eyeshadows, 1 blush, 1 bronzer, 1 liquid lipstick, 1 mascara, 1 eyeliner pencil, a dual-ended applicator and a half maroon brush. So let's open and see how it looks.
Go.
This is how the entire box looks like. And this is the box from inside. So you can specifically see the tutorial it has. It actually helped me a lot. When I initially started, मुझे ज़्यादा मेकअप के बारे में पता नहीं था, and this kind of helped me a lot to actually start with it and literally do a better job at it. So let's see ये box और क्या क्या contain करता है. So first it has a liquid lipsticks. I hope you are able to see the shade. Let me open it for you. Kind of a light pink color. I hope you're able to see it. And this is how the texture is. I hope you're able to see. Yes. So let's see. Okay, so this is basically good for a bright skin, but if you have a darker skin or a wheatish skin, then also it can work pretty well, and I kind of love it. So you can also try this. Okay, so let's see the next product in the box, which is mascara. This is how it looks like, the box. I personally like this because the brush, it is very soft and is easily applicable on the lashes. I hope you are able to see it. So let's see the next products that we have in the box. We have 12 eyeshadows in 2 palettes. So let's see how it looks. So this is how it looks. It has various colors: bronze, light, dark. So I'm just showing it to you on my hands, the texture of it. This is how it is. It has a cream base and you can apply it anywhere, party, office. I generally apply the lighter shade in the office and a darker and a sparkling shades during marriages or a party time. Okay, this is the second palette of eyeshadows. So I sometimes kind of use the lighter shade as the highlighter as well. This one, you can even try that. Just my personal view. So next we have bronzer. This is how it looks. Generally bronzer I use in the parties or in the marriage functions, not daily, but if you like you can use it. And I'm just showing the texture of this bronzer to you. It is also very cream based or subtle, so you can try in your daily routine too. I hope you're able to see this. Next we have my all-time favorite blush, light pink shade. The texture, this is the texture. Rest is all the brushes. I generally don't use these brushes because I have separate ones, but this could be used for bronzer, this could be used for eyeshadows, and this is the entire kit. This box was gifted to me by my friend who bought it from New York, where it costed $18. In India, you'll get it around 1800 to 2000 rupees. Hope you like the product and the video. Share the video. Please comment below. और probably next वीडियो में मैं और भूई आपके लिए कुछ फूड से रिलेटेड वीडियो लाएंगे. एंड प्लीज़ डू लेट अस नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ वीडियो यू वांट अस टू शेयर विद यू. बाय गाइज, लव यू. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब. Ta-da!